Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to increase American Express credit card limit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, try improving your credit utilization ratio, which is a key factor in determining your credit score. Your credit utilization ratio is calculated by dividing your current credit card balances by your total available credit limits. Ideally, you want to keep this ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Now that we understand the benefits of increasing the limit, let's discuss the 3 key requirements that you should meet before requesting a credit limit increase from American Express. The first one is that you regularly need to use your credit card American Express, as they want you to see that you're actively using the credit card for which you're requesting a limit increase. Another one is to maintain a good payment history, as your payment history is a crucial factor in American Express's decision to grant a credit limit increase. And lastly, be in good standing with American Express. So, in addition to a solid payment history, you should also ensure that you are in good standing with American Express overall. This means avoiding situations where your account is under manual review, financial review, or on hold for any reason. With the requirements met, it's time to explore the 3 different methods that you can use to request a credit limit increase from American Express. And the first option is to call the number on the back of your credit card. So you can simply call the customer service number on the back of your American Express credit card. By speaking with a representative directly, you can discuss your request, provide any necessary information, and receive a decision or guidance on the next steps. You can also chat online with an American Express representative if you prefer a written communication method. You can initiate an online chat with an American Express representative through their website, and this allows you to conveniently request a credit limit increase and receive a response without the need for a phone call. So that's basically how you can increase American Express credit card limit. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.